one or what? Who's your... I'm in love with two Filipinas. Oh my God! You're in love with two Filipinas? That's not good, Big John. You need to choose only one. Your heart is only one. You need to pick only one. If you're in love with two, it's not love. Big John, if you in love with two Filipina, that's not love. But it's hard. Why? It's not hard. It's not hard. You cannot love two person. You need to choose only one because your heart's only one. Pick both of them. No, that's not good